it was the first time for me to see the film. I haven't seen it before. So I was very nervous when it started, and for the first 10 minutes my heart really... But after a while I think, okay, they enjoy it.
No, it was a very nice screening, but we've been clapped at before, I think. So in good and bad ways, and this was a good way, so we're happy about that.
The story and the script is so absurd, so I don't know what I had expect, but it sounds really nice to hear when they are applaud and laughing on the place that I think they would laugh. Warnerbrink hates music, and I hate the music that I've been forced to listen to. The music in the stores, in the elevator, the signal from the cell phones, all the beep from the computers and from the refrigerator, all these sounds I really hate. So that we have in common.
We fight all the time,
Yeah.
but we keep together because a group is stronger than one man. But we fight all the time.